Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music to your Telegram profile on your PC step by step. If you want to save music so it's available in your Telegram profile, follow these simple steps. So let's get started. First, open Telegram on your computer and sign in to your account. Next, open the chat or channel that contains the music file you want to save. Locate the audio file. Now, right-click on the music file. A menu will appear with several options. From the menu, hover your mouse over Save To. You'll now see options such as Profile, Saved Messages, and Downloads. Click Profile. Telegram will save the music to your profile. To confirm, open your profile and check the Music section. You'll find the audio file listed there, making it easy to access later. You can repeat these steps to add more songs to your profile whenever you like. And that's it. You've successfully added music to your Telegram profile on your PC. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Telegram tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next video.